Hi, I'm Juliet, and this video carries on from another video published today about the Chicago-style essay format. But this is more specifically about the EndNotes field, and if you use EndNotes in any other template. When testing compile for this format on the version that pulls the EndNotes to the specific notes page in compile, I discovered that wasn't working. It took me quite a while to work out what the issue was, and this might be an issue for anyone adding the EndNotes marker to another document, which you can do from the Insert menu. I found the solution here in the list of placeholders, which you can find in the Help menu. There are a lot of them. This is what it says. Note that this placeholder cannot be used with script or multi-markdown formats, and can only be used with RTF and .docs if Flatten Footnotes is selected in the RTF Compatibility Compile options. That last thing is what is not set in the Chicago-style essay format, and likely won't be set if you add this to any other project. So if you're just getting the word EndNotes appearing in your compiled document, and you're using Docs or RTF, you need to double-click on the compiled format, or right-click to open it up, and click on Compatibility and click on the Flatten Footnotes option. Then it will work. You might want to check out these other academic formats here.